Greetings everyone, I hope you're well. Bring a new video of what is good. We're going to use Hand of God. Many of the comments about the strategy that was very good and I approve the same strategy, but applying another indicator that calls super trends. And let's use the Reiki Nash and put it 15 seconds on time frame. Now we're going to put indicators, moving average and super trends. Alright, that's you that you're gonna use. Now you're going to set up these indicators quickly. First, moving average with 20 on period and X decimal. And choose the best color for you and change the thickness. 2 on thickness. Now to the super trend, guys. We're going to put this 10 and 3. Alright, and let's use the best style. Click and save. Already configured the start of what is that. Here it starts with the moving average 20 and above, and let's set the time to 1 minute. And well, the amount in my case is going to be an amount of $7. What is the simple strategy about? When the price reaches the corner and breaks the average, I'm going to enter to the downside. The super indicator is confirming this movement to the downside. Now I'm going to look for several entries, applying compound interest to see how far I can grow the account with this simple strategy. Here a possible position this pair, I'm going to add this to the favorite. If the plus 6 is the man again, I would enter the bullish position first. That's the downtrend, a bullish run appears, and over one indicator suggests an upward move, even though it's somewhat sideways. I would still enter the bullish position. I enter bullish position, add to my favorites, pausing for a minute to assess how it's moving the trend. In this case, I'll observe it, the price rising. Okay, this is occurred twice, indicator resistance, and that's the level. Additionally, the price is above 220 period move average, and the super trend indicator signals an upward move again. Therefore, that's my entry points. I wait now 30 seconds to see how the initial position unfolds. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free? Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. So we got the first position, guys, on that. So good. The second amount is going to be 13. It's good to remember that the seed sometimes tends to give very strong moves, and the entry can be dangerous. I could avoid that, but well, nothing happens. In the case the first position is given, always going to look for the movement in favor of the trend. So I'm going to get a new entry with amount of 13, and see if this strategy still respects. Okay? So we just need to wait for that. Alright? So guys, we performed this bullish in Euro JPY to see. Let's get into the favorites. The main criterion is the moving average. The price move above the time of entry. Okay, and the super trend goes up. I mean, it's marking the bullish channel and a second. Well, the price is up. Remember, that is very volatile. And looking at the 15 seconds, it could be the price dropping lower than it goes up. Yes, but well, that's part of the times. I enter at 1 minute and above the time. Also remember that you tend to move very fast. It could be that it goes up to here quickly and then drops like this. But well, that's part of the risk of the strategy. So well, I got the second hit on Euro JPY, $24, and as is good. It's frustrating to enter late and lose by 1 point. I was winning, but in the last 15 seconds, the price fell. Now, should I re-enter at the low or enter the rise? It depends. You have to see what the price does back because it's already reading back down. If the pattern is fulfilled again and its signals appears, I will enter bullish. I think it's okay. I enter bullish again on Euro JPY to see, guys, and now wait for the results of the third trade. Another position 1, I practically won 2 positions less than 3 minutes. If you look at the time frame of the trade, that is the second window, the third. Is it the same move and I was able to re-enter taking advantage of it? And look at the draft mark is still up. But is not very dangerous anymore because I don't know if it go from here. Now I'm going to look for another trade. But in this case, I'm going to put almost $30, okay? Sometimes important in order to see, I always say, strong likely. Price can be basically very trend, and as you can see here. Well, here's the first rejects, and I could say you don't. The price rejects this zone, the price doesn't go through there. The price is going to fall, yes, but look at that fall fast from here until the last 4 minutes. Okay, I have to be very careful with that. False entries, I can also see on this red candle, and I say no. I entered on the low because it's telling me that. But no, I always look at the trend to see. I expect another position with the pair. Possibly, if the next candle breaks and it still marks me higher to the upside, I enter to the upside, but I expect patience. I must have patience. In this case, although it hasn't yet signaled, I definitely buy. The price remains above the chart. Okay, I noticed that the peso continued to rise strongly. The trend indicators that the upward movement on average and the buy signal has now appeared. I entered this position based on the expectation that I should have appeared early, but due to a very tight close, it didn't. Now the signal is activate indicator buy. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Sometimes this can happen with entries that initially don't appear. That are false entries just come to the position and price that supplements. But don't look, the trend is strong average. While the price average, the candlesticks are above the price. I mean of the price average and well. In the end of the channel breaks in the serpent triangle indicated the trend, and it's always IY and enter it as well. It's happening as it. Well, seconds later position, that's very good, man. Look at that, $71, 14 to 71. I must be look up the charts, looking and seeing the way to the one gives me the good opportunity. The secret of this strategy is the trend, guys. No doubt it with the super trend. Okay, you can see when the trend is running out of knots. I always operate in favor of the trend. Look for strength, even if the price was falling. It have been traded down for a while. Notice how it did break through until the finally did. That's when I entered. The super trend confirmed the trend with the 20 periods. This is a crucial part of the strategy. I recommend you to practice. So realize what is possible false entries. Yes, the price is in the range, because that's if not the strategy, you would not have assertiveness. Because if you would fail, if you give me false entry at 1 point and maybe not here. Right? The super trends always use as example support, not as a Bollinger channel. Theoretically, guys, if you look here, we see kind of the super trend channel, and just the price here comes in and it goes and it came comments. Well, it's a reaction, then it's a break. Well, if it's strength, it's already going with strength to the downside, right? And well, here it's fall again, but here don't look at the record. These are just half and just math average. Alright? Guys, just leave your comments, please. Have a good day and I wish you good profit. See you on the next live.